fucking tigers, no? He's waiting for us down there. The tiger will make your vlog famous, man.
Yes, sir.
Just in front.
Good morning from Dimapur, and we have a special day today because it's supposed to be one of the worst stretches here in Northeast India. You can already tell a little bit. It doesn't look too good. It's only around 70 kilometers we're gonna do today, but it's supposed to take like over 5 hours. So we're just getting started. It's like 6:50 in the morning. This is how it looks like for the most part. Ooh. First issue, we got a flat tire on our buddy Carlos. We found him! There he is, the yellow helmet guy. We turned back to look for him and we met him like 1 kilometer from where we stopped. He was riding again. He used his compressor to just refill and re-inflate the tire again, and I don't know for how long that will last, but he's gonna be in the front now so we can keep track of him. In the curve on the left side here is a bunch of, on this side, yes, there was a bunch of small shops. It looked like one place was open and it said hotel. You know that hotel. Finally arrived to Kohima. It took 4 hours to get here. Looking for the Eco-Stay hostel. Looks like a very calm and peaceful place up in the mountains. Now it's 10:50 in the morning, so we have all day here to explore. We'll just do whatever we want. It's gonna be nice. Okay, yes, ready to leave. Okay, bye. Okay, so we're leaving Kohima, going to Imphal. 3rd of April. In 3 days we're crossing to Myanmar. But here we experienced some crazy things. We got to learn more about the dog thing, like people eat dog in this area of India, in Nagaland. Yeah, we saw a lot of dogs in the street. Dogs that were cut up into pieces and sold as meat. So that was different. But let's go to Imphal. We're gonna catch Juan on the way as well. He's somewhere. He went earlier than us. So somewhere along the road we might bump into Juan again. That's how you say hello to each other. Okay, from really good road to not so good road. I hope it's just a quickie there. And back to the fast roads. Now this is a different road. Quite beautiful. It's about 50 kilometers left to Imphal. Imphal, I don't know how to pronounce it, but and I lost Carlos again. Anyway, just 50 kilometers left. This is a beautiful road. Yeah. Okay, it's close to almost the last day now.
Last day?
Yeah. Tomorrow is the last day. Today, to get to Myanmar. Yeah. Today we go to Moreh, which is the border city. And tomorrow we're crossing to Myanmar. But yeah, that's my conclusion. Okay, let's go to Moreh. Quick fuel stop. 79 kilometers left. Yeah. Let's go. Snack break. We just spent maybe 30 minutes climbing this mountain. It's like small roads like this. It's about 50 kilometers to the border town Moreh. It'll take like 1.5 2 hours more maybe. Yeah. Let's get back on the road. Oh, okay, it was only 40 kilometers. 40 left. Oh, beautiful. Made it to Moreh. So we made it all the way to Moreh.
Border city. Tomorrow we'll be crossing over to Myanmar. It's like a 5-day journey, just going across. So yeah.
It's the last day of the border run. Doing what's the name? Moreh something. Still in this hostel, hostel, whatever you want to call it. 6:22, and at 8 we're supposed to be in the border. We made it, but yeah, it's been a lot of riding the last days. A lot more than I'm used to. Almost 2 weeks now of consecutive riding. I think like 2 or 3 rest days in total. Not what I recommend, but it was needed for this. Yeah, that's how it looks when you have to rush from Nepal to Myanmar through northeast India. I feel like northeast India doesn't feel like India. Some places do, and when you go to bazaars and very crowded places, it falls back to this India vibe, but in general, it's just way calmer and a little bit different attitude in the people, blah blah blah. It's just different, and the food is also a lot influenced by Asian culture. A lot of rice and noodles instead of bread. But that's it for this time. Okay, we're definitely in India. Okay, that's it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you in the next one. Crossing Myanmar.